So hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. Myself Ishang Dua, and today we will be learning Kotlin for loop, how to make use of for loop in the language Kotlin. But before we discuss about loops, how to make for loop, why we basically use. Before we discuss that, let's just go back in the time and remember those days when we used to be punished and teachers told us that we have to write 100 times 200 times that I will not repeat the same mistake again, or I will do my homework from tomorrow positively, like this. Okay, and like that thing, the effort program, like that is, you can say, the understand the pain and easing the effort. So programming languages have come with the repeated conditional statements that is known as loops. So for loop, let's just start how we can use for loop in Kotlin language. So let's start. We would be going on to create new project. Would be selecting Kotlin JVM next, and would be naming it as for loop demo 1. Just finish. Just go on here, click on this source. After right clicking, select Kotlin file or class. Give it any name like main file. Here we would be again writing the function main, and in this we will be taking for xin0 till we want to take, like you can say, we can take it to 100. So only 2. Okay, now we can give in print line that I will do my homework from tomorrow, say positively. Okay, just press this. So yeah, this is the, you can say, output of this. Now we would be running it. Just go to run main.kt. See, it has given I will do my homework from tomorrow positively till this condition from 0 to 100. So by this way we can use for loop in our statement. Also here we can just remove this and can give print if we want to print the value, like print x. Now just go to run main.kt. See, it has run. Now actually you can see all it's up mixed up. So for that, what we can do it, just give print line, and in this you can just pass a /n to come on to the next line. Now again we can run this. Yes, it has given a line gap in between. You can see the value. So this is how the for loop goes on in Kotlin. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Kindly like this video, comment on the video so that we can get more useful comments from your side and can improve ourselves, and share the video to your friends and to the people who you think it will help, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we add a new video you are always there. And thanks for watching.